Hi, I'm Fabio, I'm industrial designer and the co-founder of Lebiu company. We provide eco-fabrics and vegan skin for fashion and design sectors, introducing new application of cork waste in a more ecological way.
Hi, this is Carmina Ferri. I am the founder and CEO of Care Applications company. We are a technological partner within the RE-Fream project. We make research and development in ecological processes and equipment for garment finishing, always caring about the client, the final product, the quality, and the environment. We are in the circular economy as we reuse existing washing and dyeing machines to optimize and modernize them, thus bringing improvement, versatility, and technology.
Hello, I'm Belén Hinojosa. I'm industrial design and textile engineer. Part of Care Applications' work is to develop new collections. We work together with the customers in order to solving problems and optimizing processes for a more sustainable and innovative products.
Hello, I am Romano Campese, Care Applications CTO, and this is our laboratory.
Together, also with ITEX, we developed a new range of eco-materials from stopper industry leftovers, providing a much more animal-friendly alternative and a more ethical material that protects the environment. I came across this idea because I paid attention to a specific industrial sector, which highly contributes to global warming. In fact, the fashion industry is the second most polluting activity in the world, because it is responsible for 20% of the global waste of water and the 10% of the greenhouse gas emissions. In the last 9 months, I had the possibility to improve the characteristic of the material and design the production process to scale it up and be on market by the beginning of 2021. Cork is a noble material that is extracted from the cork oak, which works as CO2 sink. It cleans the air, and it's important it's harvesting because the more you harvest, the faster it cleans the air. Actual cork companies used to incinerate this powder they don't use for the other production. So all the dangerous gases produced from the combustion and the CO2 that has been previously retained from the plant are released again to the atmosphere. So the implementation of this powder residue provides a greener option for buyers and users when choosing a product to buy, due to its origin and process applied. Avoid from the beginning CO2 additional emissions, since the residue doesn't need to be treated before it uses. During the co-creation with textiles and cork technician, I started a documental investigation on bio-based fabrics and also patent research to guarantee the state of the innovation among the textile industries. Tests conducted with various techniques such as nano-ebulization, lamination, coupling, spray, fouling and flock have shown advantage and also restriction of the state of the material at the beginning of the project. So from there, through laboratory practices, the performance of the material has been improved. I think that all industrial sectors which provide products and services for people have to embrace creativity and also non-conventional thinking when creating new concepts for consumer goods. I believe that art and technology collaboration are currently the perfect match to boost innovation in every sector. In the development of the project, I pay attention to important aspects that became the core values of the entire project. These are the environmental sustainability. In fact, the Lebiu fabrics are made from cork stopper waste and biobinders in water solution, so we get a biomaterial with similar properties to animal leather, but totally vegan. Another one is to empower the rural economy. We strongly believe in the local community, helping companies that work with cork to reinvent themselves and be more sustainable. So we buy cork waste from small and middle industry that have difficult to dispose it and create local employment and rebooting some old industry that are stuck in the past. And the last one is the cultural heritage. In fact, we think that it's important to protect our heritage as we pretend to protect our environment. The old techniques of producing cork goods introduced by artisans over the years became the identity of the land. It transmits social values such as inclusion, respect, and the know-how that is handed from a generation to another. So it's important to keep this heritage alive with the support of the latest technology. One of the production lines we developed with my partner Care Application is called Nano Cork. It is a natural finish that can be applied directly on garments. using the minimum amount of water and chemical products, proposing a new type of much more sustainable and ad hoc finish process, when it produces only what is needed, without overproduction. It is a great alternative to give new life to clothes and also recovering some garments that have been damaged during the production process in textile factories. And now I leave Belen to explain you the production process of NanoCork.
To carry out the co-creation project with Fabio, first we worked on a formulation that was stable, and after we optimized the eco-finish equipment so that the solution was nebulized in a controlled way. In addition, different fabrics were studied as a substrate to apply the cork. To start the finishing process, the garments are introduced inside the washing machine, rotating without water. The cork solution is introduced into the tank to be dosed by programming the eco-finish system. In a controlled and reproducible way, the eco-finish system nebulizes the cork solution inside the washing machine, creating a mist. This is a sustainable process since only is used what the garments can absorb, saving a large amount of water, product, and energy, with zero waste. The last part of the co-creation process has been adding color to the cork formulation.
So we achieve a biodenim effect with natural resources and decreasing the production time. Other production lines have been highlighted during the co-creation, and these are the cork skin, a bioskin made of cork particle and eco-binders that keep the aesthetic appearance of real leather, plus the back part has a spongy effect like the real animal leather. No other synthetic leather on market has such characteristic, since the fabric is usually seen in the back. And the last one is Neobook, a new vegetal nubuck that imitates the real texture but is made out of bioresources, finding a different way to process the cork in a different production cycle. So we get 3 different finishes from a unique raw material and a higher percentage of bio-based content. We also included a natural essence extracted from cork and Mediterranean plants to enrich the experience of the material. The material, in all its variants, is lighter, more resistant to rubbing and to the cut, and is aiming to decrease the carbon footprint of fashion and design industry and also the production of real leather, which is good for our health but also for our environment, since intensive farming is responsible for 20% of total CO2 in the world. So I highly encourage designers to focus on new production cycle with the help of technology to generate the new eco-consciousness and change the actual fashion model into a more sustainable and ethical system.